All right, today's edition of Guess What's in the Box, of which I don't need, but I purchase anyways because I'm a hoarder. Let's open it up and see what we got. From FedEx. FedEx brought it here. The guy came in and slammed it on the floor. He definitely did not give a fuck, which I get it. I wouldn't either. If I worked at a post office or something like that, I would literally be playing hacky sack with people's packages because I don't care. Let's see what we got here. What do you think it is? Anybody who follows the channel here probably knows what it is. Ugh. Packed pretty well. See all this crap I have to throw away now. But I will be saving this bubble wrap because that's exciting. This will be a will it work video shortly. It's getting my floor all dirty with all this crap. But it is the elusive, god damn, amber monochrome monitor. Priced very affordably because I'm a cheapskate. And we're gonna do a will it work video. Looks pretty nice. Stay tuned.